Morning. It is currently a soaking wet, very early Friday morning, Memorial Day weekend. We are going to be headed down to Lime Rock Park. They are running some Trans Am, some sports car stuff, so we're going to go check out the qualifying, see if we can bring the camera, get some pictures of race cars. It's about a 3-hour drive from me right now, so we will see you there. Alrighty guys, we made it to Lime Rock Park. Long drive, about 3 hours-ish, so let's get to it, finally here. We're at Lime Rock. We found a little gap in the fence to shoot through, so we're gonna be peeking through here, trying to get some stuff. This should be good. Hat's going on backwards. Found all the spots already. We are currently in timeout for the practice sessions today. They are doing a lunch break, so I think some of the cars are going through tech and a couple of the haulers.
just showed up. They didn't want to do any of the free practice or testing so far, but keeps raining on me, which is kind of annoying, but the pictures are pretty cool, so we'll see how it turns out. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and if you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. Alright guys, we're here for practice. It's starting to rain, so only these two guys are out, but I'm really trying to focus on grabbing the cars while their wiper is active. I think that brings a pretty interesting idea. What is going on that hill over there? Here come all the cars, thankfully. Alright, I know there's a burst of flames going into one after San Posey straight. Let's see if I can get that. I don't think he's going hard enough. I need somebody to get after it. Here we go. Okay, here comes Hendrick cars. Let's see if we can get some fire.
guys, somebody crashed right in front of us, so that's gonna kind of signify that it's time to head home. Day's getting late. Kind of want to get back and process all these pictures and kind of check everything out. So we're gonna be heading out and making a long drive.